Matt, stop that. We have to be able to...
Okay, ready?
No.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were counting to
5, 6. Oh dear.
Wow.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh, that was as loud as yet. Obviously, they don't...
4, 5, 6, 7.
Woo!
Good thing it didn't pop in your hands.
Yeah, I know. It was going to. So it's like, oh, hi, camera. Hey, I'm showing this to the class, Mom.
Yeah, I know.
You suck.